Summer in the low country means hot, humid days, with afternoon thunderstorms coming in across the water and lots of daylight. Many creatures become inactive during the hottest part of the day and instead restrict activity to mornings and evenings, or even become somewhat nocturnal. When the days become so long, you have to stay up pretty late in order to check out the constellations. But if you do, you'll be rewarded with a relatively easy set of constellations to find that make up the summer triangle. The summer triangle is marked by 3 of the brightest stars in the sky, found in the constellations Lyra the Harp, Aquila the Eagle, and Cygnus the Swan. Let's learn to locate these constellations and talk about their star stories. One of the stars marking a corner of the triangle is Vega. Vega is bright blue-white and is the 5th brightest star in the sky. This is the first star seen in the sky on a summer evening after the sun sets. Vega is only 25 light years away, which in astronomical terms is rather close. Lyra is a small constellation representing a harp. The constellation was said in Roman mythology to be a tribute to the inventor of the harp, Mercury, who was the messenger of the gods. There are a couple of interesting astronomical features within Lyra. One of its stars, called Epsilon Lyrae, is not actually a single star, it's a double-double. If you look at it through binoculars, you see 2 stars rather than 1. But through a telescope, each of those stars appears as 2 as well. Also within the region of Lyra is the Ring Nebula. The Ring Nebula is the remnant outer layers of a dying red giant star, which became a white dwarf. You would need a telescope to see it. Altair in Aquila the Eagle marks the 2nd corner of the triangle. Altair is at the head of the eagle, and dimmer stars mark the outstretched wings, body, and tail in an X pattern. The eagle was the servant of the Greek sky god and was sent to Earth to retrieve lightning bolts that were made by Cyclops and flung to Earth by the sky god as punishment for people. The last star in the summer triangle is called Deneb and marks the tail of Cygnus the Swan. Deneb means tail in Arabic. The stars that make up the body of the swan form a rough cross shape, an asterism that is called the Northern Cross. Like a swan, the head end of the constellation is very elongated, as are the wings. Zeus disguised himself as a swan to abduct Leda, who then became mother to Helen of Troy and the Gemini twins. Cygnus falls along the plane of the Milky Way. The faint, glowing band that runs across the night sky is the densest part of our own galaxy and is best seen during the summer from a very dark location. This is because our galaxy is not round, it is flat and disc-shaped. We're looking at the Milky Way from within it, and during the summer, due to the angle of the Earth, we look into the plane of our galaxy where there are the most stars and it is high overhead. The glow from those billions of stars forms a milky band that our eye does not see as many individual stars. After spending the day at the beach or on the water seeking relief from the hot summer sun, stay up late and take the time to look for the shape of the summer triangle and the band of the Milky Way galaxy. Though the nights are shorter and often cloudy due to stormy weather, the summer triangle will become an easy-to-spot feature of the summer night sky.